morning student. Today we will continue the first chapter, computer basic. Okay, and we will continue the input device. Today we have to deal with mouse. Topic: mouse is a pointing device, you know that. With the help of mouse we can select thing on the monitor. It shows in the monitor like arrow. Okay student, and the mouse is moved across a flat surface which is called mouse pad. Nowadays there are many types of mouse: wireless mouse, optical mouse, which are commonly used. The wireless mouse worked on the basis of Bluetooth. Okay student, and it has two buttons, only two buttons, and a scroll wheel in the center. The mouse pointer moves as the mouse moves. Okay student, the mouse is used to click buttons, dialog boxes and other icons on the screen. And next example of input device is joystick. Joystick is mainly used for playing game on computer, and it is also used in aeroplane and crane. Okay students, next is scanner. Scanner is used for capture photographs and images into the computer. Okay students, a scanner creates an electronic copy of the printed paper. Okay students, next is touch screen. Nowadays we are familiar with touch screen. Touch screen understand the input when we put our finger on the screen or an electronic pen comes in contact with the screen. Okay students, this technology is generally used in ATM, mobile phone, tablets, etc. Okay students, next is microphone. Microphone is used to record your voice into the computer, just like we give our command to the Google with the help of mic. Okay student, touchpad. Touchpad is generally used or control the movement of the mouse pointer on the screen in laptop. Okay students, most of you can see in your home. Next is trackball. Trackball is similar with the mouse, but the ball is on the top. It's shaped like curvy. Okay student, to move the mouse pointer on the screen, roll the mouse with your finger. You have to roll it. Okay student, after input we have to discuss processing device. Okay, means solving the problem. Okay student, and it is placed in the CPU, and you know that CPU is the brain of computer. Okay student, and all the part of CPU are connected to the CPU through wires. Processing means to change the given instructions into desired output, means solve the questions. It is made of three parts, namely arithmetic, logic and control unit and memory unit. Okay student, arithmetic and logic unit means, and it performs arithmetical and logical operations. Okay students, arithmetical means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and logical means less than, greater than. Next is control unit. Control unit means who can controlling all the parts of the computer. Okay student, all the parts of the computer. It works as a manager who check all the work is being done properly. Arrow shows the flow of data, just like that. In memory unit we can store our data or our memory. Okay student, now next topic is output device. Output device means it display the result into the screen done by processing device. For example, monitor, printer, speaker is also a output device. Monitor is the most common example of output device. Okay students, it display the information on the screen like television screen. There are two types of monitor, CRT cathode ray tube and TFT thin film transistor. CRT means it looks like old TV models. Okay students, these monitors are bulky and consume more electricity. In CRT, it consumes more power of electricity, but in TFT, it consumes less electricity. Okay students, TFT are look smarter, lighter weight and flat screen, which you can see here. Okay students, these days TFT are commonly used. Next is printer. A printer prints the information on your monitor on a paper. The printer information is called printout. Okay students, and some printer prints only black or white, but some color. There are various types of printers, you can see that. Okay student, next is storage device. We can store our data into storage device and it's stored for our future use. Okay students, so we can store it in CD, DVD, disk, pen drive, etc. In storage device, first is hard disk. Hard disk is inside the CPU box. Okay students, and the next is CD. You can see that CD is compact disk. It has storage capability up to 700 MB. Okay students, it stores data like picture, movie, sound, etc. And the next is DVD. DVD stores more data up to 4.7 GB. Okay students, and next is Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc uses new optical technology. It's store up to 25 GB data on it on a single side, and the both sided it stores 50 GB data. Next is memory card. Memory card is generally used in cameras and mobile phone. It stores from 1 GB to 128 GB. Next is pen drive. Pen drive is a small transfer data device. You can carry it with yourself very easily. It stores it has a storage capacity from 1 GB to 1 TB. Okay student.